ஓம் ஹர ஹர நம பார்வதி பதயே. With your grand support, we were able to feed thousands of sadhus and poor and devotees during the Jyestha Purnima or with Savitri Purnima. I'll read the list of people who have contributed for Annadanam. Kiran Narasimhamurthy, Satish Vishwanathan, Haritasa Gotram, Venkat Arun Kumar Tummalapalli and his family, wife Bharati, and the other family members are Jayavardhan, Shrika, Vaishnav, Sri Kartikeya, and he wants to pray for his Pitrus, Kesav Rao, Anand Rao, Venkata Shivudu, Indra Satyakumari, Jayalakshmi Sheshamma. We pray for his Pitrus to get moksha. Balaji Jyotiraman, Shanmuga Gotram, Mahalakshmi Balaji, Shiva Gotram, Ramasamy Subramani, Venkateshwari, Nanda Gopala Gotram, Rajesh, Preeti, Nivesh, Tejashri, Shiva Gotram, Sankar Raman, Diksha, Riyan Sastik, Singamalla Gotram, Gundu Bogala Kalyana Chakravarti, Paidipala Gotram, Gundumullu Venkatesh, Kalyani, Venkatrao, Ramalakshmi, Shiva Gotram, Bhaskaran Pillai, Kashyapa Gotram, Sahar Singh, Kashyapa Gotram, Venkat Prasad, Savita, Naga Kiran Prasad, Urja Bhargavi, Godnadi Gotram, Nilesh Narayan Maid, Suvarna Gotram, Shobit, Jayanti, Mohit, Kashyapasa Gotram, Sairam, Divya, Dharmakari Gotram, Venkatesh Dharmakari, Pavani Dharmakari, Satya Priya, Rajesh, Rahul Mehana, Nagula Gotram, Sridhar Badi, Shivu Naidu, Satyavati, Satish, Sri Harsha, Sritika, Mutunakula Gotram, Pramila, Nagaraja, Saravana, Vyasarishi Gotram, Lakshmi Shekhar, Purnima Devi, Arun Kumar, Radhika, Gauri, Jayanti, Savana Maharshi Gotram, Parasuraman, Srivatsa Gotram, Krishna Priya, Arun, Vishwakarma Gotram, Vaishali, Vijay, Juturi Adi Narayana, Panti Paramasivan, Sunil Kulkarni, Raj Prabhu Rajendran, Upshana Sri, Bhaskar, Shiva Gotram, Munuswami, Suganya, Mautika Astriya, Mritulasri, Ritish Vikram, Mani Veeran, Ravi Kiran, Madhuravalli, Dada Pir, Viji, Rechalla Gotram, Dammu Rajesh, Dammu Adi Lakshmi, Dammu Madhu Keshava, Dammu Sneha, Arunachala Sai, and his parents Yerram Padmaja, Yerram Sudhakar Rao, Sadamarshana Gotram, Venkat Raghavan, Sruti Venkat Raghavan, Avala Gotram, Sudarshan, Manju Vani, Nanda Reddy, Neelima, Jnanasila Gotram, Krishna Chaitanya Grandhi, Shruti, Subbarao, Nagakumari, and his brother's family, Vikash, Lahari, Vedans, Gautamasa Gotram, Nagaraju Rayasam, Venkata Sri Devi, they want to pray for her health, Sri Rashya Madhurima, Sri Nitya Chinmayi, Bharatvaja Gotram, Sudhindra Babu, they want to pray for his job and his health, Alivelu Mangatayaru, they want to pray for her health. We pray for their family members to get a good job and have a good health. Konila Gotram, Siddha Reddy, Krishna Reddy, Anuradha Reddy, Jagadishwar Reddy, Mauna Bhargava Gotram, Krishna Chaitanya, Vennalla Indrakanti, Anai Krishna, Chandrasekhar, Radhika. For all the contributors who have donated for this Jyestha Purnima Annadanam, we'll pray for Lord Arunachaleshwara, and we'll pray all the family members to be blessed with good health, wealth, and prosperous life. நம்ம சொல்றது அப்படி திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. அண்ணாமலையார் அருளால், உண்ணாமலை அம்மன் அருளால், அன்னதானத்திற்கு உதவி செய்த அனைத்து குடும்பங்களும் அவள் அறியாது சேர்ந்த சர்வ தோஷங்கள் நீங்கி சர்வ ரோகங்கள் நீங்கி அவளது வாழ்க்கையில் தனம், தானியம், சந்தானம், ஜெயம், தைரியம், பலம், ராஜ்யம், வாகனம் ஆகிய அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யங்கள் பெற்று சம்பூர்ண ஆரோக்கியம் பெற்று அவர்களது வாழ்க்கையில் எல்லா நலமும் வளமும் பெற எல்லாம் வல்ல அருணாச்சலேஸ்வரரை பிரார்த்திப்போம். ஓம் ஹர ஹர நம பார்வதி பதையே.